Well, the arithmetic difference here is 3. You could see that because you could take the two consecutive terms there, go -1 and subtract -4, and you realize you get 3. And we know the general formula for the arithmetic sequence is going to be d times n minus 1 plus a sub 1. We want to find the letter n. Well, why don't we use 437? We want to find the nth term for the value 437. D is 3, and then n minus 1, and then plus a -4, which is subtract 4. So here we just solve for n, and then we'll be on our way. Add 7 to both sides, so 4 is equal to 3n. That is divisible by 3. $148. So n is actually 148. So there's actually 148 terms. Now we're ready to find S sub n. S sub n is equal to 148 terms. A sub 1 is -4. And then plus a sub n, which is 437, and then divided by 2. And of course, you could simplify that. That's 74 times what? Times 433. Yeah, 433. And go ahead and use your calculator for that. The sum S sub n is equal to 32,042. You could do part B in a similar manner. The key here is to write out the first few terms. Why don't we write the first few terms out? For j equals 1, we get 3. Plus, for j equals 2, we get 8 minus 1, which is 7. And then for j equals, let's say 3, we get 12 minus 1, which is 11. So you can see the arithmetic difference is 4. Now, we want to know how many terms there are. There's actually 95 terms that's given to us. Let's find the value of the last term. What's 95 times 4? And then subtract 1. So it's going to be 379. There we go. We also could use the formula here. Capital S sub n is equal to, well, in this case, I just realized I made a mistake. Go back to the previous example here. You want to write S sub 148. I apologize there. Made a notational error. Let's go back and fix that. The first example, I want to write S sub 148. Okay, back to example B. We have n times a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. So it's the number of terms times the sum of the first and last term, and then divide by 2. What are we looking for? We're looking for S sub 95. We want this expression here. So that'll be 95. A sub 1 is 3, so 3 plus 379, and of course, divide by 2. You can go ahead and use a calculator for this. S sub 95 is equal to 18,145. I could circle the final expression.